Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to pay Shopee Spaylater using Gcash. So let's start. First you have to log into your Shopee Pay and go to the main tab. Tap Spaylater and then Pay Now. Then you have to select the current bill and tap Pay Now. Then choose InstaPay as the payment method and follow the prompts to set up your InstaPay payment from Gcash. So if you want to take an earlier payment rather than paying your current bill, you can also select this option as part of the process. After making your cash payment, you will get notification on your wallet updates. Your pay later limit will be a day within a day reflect to repaid amount. That's how you can do it, guys. As you can see, our few steps are only 5, and you can do it your Shopee pay later. As you can see, it's very easy, and only following these steps and you will do it, and you can transfer pay later to Gcash, and you cannot directly transfer Shopee Pay Later to Gcash as is exactly forbidden in the product terms. So it can be withdrawn as they draw a fair amount payment for goods and Shopee. So remember that one. So I hope this information helps you guys. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and don't forget to give us a thumbs up to this video.